we can actually do something we couldn't do before. We can actually expand our horizons of what we can actually produce. My name's Simon, I'm a goldsmith. I did an apprenticeship, which was about 6 years long in total, and I was taught the classic ways of making jewellery.
The new FabPro 1000 is a desktop printer which has many applications for many different industries, including dental, jewellery, engineering and creative industries.
Using the FabPro is very easy for me. I've found experience with the FabPro 1000, the dual cast material. It's been very good. It does what it's supposed to do. I was able to cast with it very successfully, then it's pretty damn reliable.
3D Sprint is so easy to use that no training is required.
An integrated sort of solution is brilliant because I can just import my files into the FabPro 1000 software, the 3D Sprint.
Anyone with experience of using 3D software will be able to use 3D Sprint straight away. No matter what industry you're in, jewellery, dental, the creative arts, engineering, prototyping, the FabPro is a fantastic solution which combines speed, accuracy, resolution and affordability.